Hi everybody, and welcome to this second video on my TACAN HSI project. Hopefully you've been able to watch the first video, which discusses the detailed side of operating the instrument itself using SIOC and so forth, actually moving the instrument itself. This video focuses more on the technical side of things, the internal electronics and the gearing. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please do watch the other video as well if you want to see the HSI moving from a front point of view, which I seriously recommend. So please enjoy. Thank you.
Alright, so I've just taken the casing of the instrument off. This is the casing right here. It slots onto the instrument like so, and all these screw holes would obviously have screws in them, but I've unscrewed them for the purpose of this video. Taking the top off so you can see the gearing inside. As you can see, it really is very intricate gearing, very delicate, and the motors themselves are actually very sensitive, and we've had to put protector resistors in series with the motors because the DC motors card from Open Cockpits actually provides too high voltage for these motors, so we've had to protect them like that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the motors on and let you have a look at the gearing moving inside the instrument. You probably won't see too much, but that is to be expected because a lot of the gearing is actually hidden right in there, but you should see a fair bit moving. So I'll just turn that on right now. Alright, so as you can see, the motor is now moving. You can just about at the corner of your eye see the course pointer rotating. Things to note are this triangular shaped wire here is the glide slope controller, and when the glide slope moves up, this whole mechanism moves up, and it's controlled by a quarter gear at the back here. So let's just see that. As you can see, it's lifting up now, and if you watch the previous video, this controls the glide slope pointer, and that's what happens when the glide slope goes up, and the opposite happens when it goes down. This quarter gear is connected to a motor which is individually controlled through the SIOC software, and obviously moves in this test script we've got here. Another thing to note is far right hand side of the instrument here. Again, if you saw the previous video, you would know that there is an analog digit course meter in the top right corner of the instrument. This is it, pretty much. You can see it's slowly moving here. It's just a numerical tape as such that perfectly aligns in accordance with the course meter. I cannot actually control this tape, and that's good because it is perfectly geared to the course meter, which I can control. So essentially, well, I suppose I can control it then. I control the course meter, and as a result it moves that. So this is an example of one gear working off another gear. This gear works off the course gear.